Welcome back to the Forge. I'm Rob. Let's make something. Alright, so we got a good quench, we got a good heart on the giveaway. Y'all stay tuned. That's gonna come up just as soon as I get all of my handle material and I get it totally finished. So sometime this coming up week, we are going to announce the details of that giveaway and then present you what it is you will be getting. We got our two knives that we done. We got a little pair knife and it looks like a little stiletto. I'm not real sure what we're gonna turn that one into, but it might just be like a little, just a little knife, I don't know. Got a file here. We're gonna go ahead and try to knock out one more while we're at the forge before we start doing the cleanup and the grinding and all the other good stuff. So stick around. So just to keep it fun and interesting, I'm gonna let the novice guy make a knife out of the file. I really think that's gonna be a fun learning experience for him, and hopefully if we're lucky, we got somebody new joining the forging life. Might unlock a passion that he doesn't know about. I don't know. But we're gonna let him knock this one out and see what kind of knife he makes solo. Stick around.
Wow. Now we're just beating.
Just rounding it out. We'll do this. I'll hold this. How big you want the blade to be?
I want the blade to be pretty big.
So, there's?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna hit it.
Okay. Oh, look at that dent, dude.
Hammer everything behind the dimple. Dimple blade, there you go. So the metal don't bubble out from going thinner and from not hitting it. So we want to just kind of work it all over it. Go ahead. Alright. Hey! Glad you're still here. We look to be making some kind of a tactical, maybe EDC. I don't know. Stick around. Now the dimple isn't anything special. So you want to hit here all the way back. There you go. Alright. Hello again. So, as you see, he's not doing that bad of a job for a newbie. He's doing much better than I did when I started off, so, you know, good for him. We are going to widen it this way, and then put a bevel on it so we can turn this into something. Stick around. And, working like here, down. Ready? Ready? Want to affect the entire thing. move up a little bit. There you go. Don't need to hammer that edge all the way flat. We got to do the same thing on the other side. Just widen out the middle. Now this side. There you go. It doesn't have to be right on the edge just because we're not working our bevel. We're just trying to widen out the metal some. Let's That's good, man. Looking like something. Switching it up. Now see, we need this to be just as thin, so we need to work this area here and draw that corner down some. Nope. Nope. Moving the metal. Let's stay in this area for just a minute. Alright, hammer it flat. Hammer, hammer. Alright. We're gonna start on this side this time. Alright.
Right there again, huh?
Yep. Walk it down.
Woo!
Alright, so I have temporarily removed myself from the equation and he's gonna just run this all the way solo, tongs and all. Somebody's graduating quickly. Good job, man. When it starts rolling on you, flip it up. There you go. Keep it straight. Now drop it down. There you go. Because you're moving the metal, so that displaces where it was. It makes it do a little rollover. Now stop. Hold it up like that. Hold it up waist. No. Just show the spine. Alright. You see how this is pretty much the same thickness all the way down?
Mm-hmm.
What we want is for it to start thinning out right around here. And it's called a distilled taper. It's where it just kind of gradually gets to be a thinner knife or a stabbing edge. So let's throw it back in the forge and we'll do that. Nope. Sideways. There you go. Fit in the middle. You want to work the end more so than we do back here because we want that to be thicker, this to be thinner.
So here.
No, down here. Yeah. We're not doing the bevel. So again, we don't need to be right on the edge. We're just thinning out the metal itself here. So do on one side, do on the other. All right, now go back to the tip. All right, now look at it. See what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
See how it's getting a little bit thinner here than it is back here?
Yeah.
We want to continue doing that. Alright, take a look and see what we're doing. Thinning out all of it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what he came up with. He did 99.999% of the work. I upped a little bit here and just some guidance here.